Hello everyone, in today's pharmacognosy lecture, we are now studying resins. Definition: the term resin is applied to more or less solid or amorphous product of a complex chemical nature. These mixtures of essential or oils, amorphous oxygenated products of terpenes and carboxylic acids. Resins and related resinous products are produced in plants during normal growth or secreted as a result of injury to the plants. They are usually occurs in the schizogonous and schizoligenous cavities or ducts. General properties of resins. Physical characters. All resins are heavier than water. They are usually amorphous, hard and brittle solids. They are insoluble in petroleum, water and ether, and usually but dissolve more or less completely in alcohol, chloroform and ether. Chemical properties: on heating they soften and finally melt. Insoluble in water and usually insoluble in petroleum spirit, but dissolve more or less completely in alcohol, chloroform and ether. Chemically, resins are complex mixture of resins acids, resins alcohols, resinol, resin phenol, esters and chemically inert compounds known as resins. Classification of resins: resin acid, ester resins, resin alcohols, resin phenol, glucoresins, resins, oleoresin, gum resins, oleogum resins and balsams. First is resin acid. Carboxylic acid group containing resinous substances. For example, abiotic acid, colophony example and chromophoric acid from Mir. Ester resins are this group contains ester as a chief the constituent of the resin. Example, benzoin and storax benzoin contains benzyl benzoate. Storax contains cinnamyl cinnamate. Resin alcohols. They occur as in a free state or in a esters. Examples, balsam of Peru with the Peru resinotenol, joachim resin with goic resinol. Resin phenol. Resinotenols contains phenol group, for example, Peru resinotenol in Peru balsam and Tolu resinotenol in Tolu balsam. Ceresinotenol in benzoin. Glucoresins. These resins, when get combined with sugars by glycolization, for example, convolvulaceae family drugs. Resins stable, neutral, unaffected by the most chemical reagents or by exposure to the moisture produce a hard film. For example, asafoetida. Oleoresins. Resin plus volatile oil is called as oleoresin. For example, turpentine, ginger, copaiba and Canada. Gum resins are resin plus gum. For example, ammoniacum. Oleogum resins means resin plus volatile oil plus gum. For example, Mir, asafoetida and gamboges. And balsams that contains aromatic acids like benzoin and cinnamic. For example, Tolu balsam, Peru balsam and storax. Chemical composition and isolation of resins. Complex mixture of acids, alcohols and phenols, esters, glycosides or hydrocarbons. When associated with volatile oils, it contains monoterpenoids, sequiterpenoids and diterpenoids. Gum, when associated with the resin, acacia gum oxidase enzymes. Isolation of resins. It is a difficult task due to presence of various combinations of extraction with alcoholic solvents and then the subsequent precipitation by adding concentrated alcoholic extract to a large proportion of water. Hydrodistillation or distillation can be used for the separation of volatile oils from resin, means separation of resin from turpentine. Uses. Plant resins. Plant resins are valued for the production of varnishes, adhesives, and food glazing agents. They are also prized as a raw material from the synthesis of other organic compounds and provide constituent of incense and perfumes. The oldest known use of the plant resin comes from the human bodies in late Middle Stone Age in South Africa. With it was used as an adhesive for hafting stone tools. The hard transparent resin such as copals, dammers, mastic, and sanderac are principally used for varnishes and adhesives, while the softened odoriferous olive resin, frankincense, ilmenite, turpentine, copaiba, and gum resins containing essential oils ammoniacum, asafoetida, gamboge, myrrh, and scammony are more used for the therapeutic purposes. Food and essence. The resin of Aleppo pine is used to flavor retsina, a Greek resinated wine. And synthetic resins. Many materials are produced via the conversion of synthetic resin to solids. Important examples are bisphenol, a diglycidyl ether, which is a resin converted to epoxy glue upon the addition of a hardener. Silicones are often prepared from the silicone resin via room temperature vulcanization. Thank you.